Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to flush your power steering fluid on your Subaru. So this is a '05 Legacy, but this should work for most Subarus. Here's the reservoir. So you need a couple of things. You're going to need a fully synthetic automatic transmission fluid. Any of them should work as long as they cover most fluids. I think Subaru itself on the cap wants you to use a Dextron fluid, so just make sure your ATF covers that, and this one does. And also you're gonna need a special tool here. So this is a filler for your battery. You can fill up for battery electrolytes, and we're gonna use that to suck out some of the fluid, and then we're gonna fill it up again with the ATF. And you're going to do that over the course of a month, and just make sure you use the whole bottle, and once you've done that, it should be all fresh again. So I'll show you how it's done. Start by taking the cap off. And now you'll see why you need like a very small opening, because the opening in here is very small. Just put it in. Squeeze some of it, get it out, and then put it inside a waste bottle. I've done this a few times already, so you can see it's a little bit cleaner now. And once you sucked it all out of the reservoir, oh, okay, still got a little bit left in there. Okay. Now you just top it back up. You can see all the lines on here, so if your engine is hot or cold, those are the lines you have to use. Okay. Before I put the cap back on, just want to show you how small that opening is, and that's why you need that specific battery filler. And if you can just see here, it's at the cold max because the engine is still a bit cold. Put the cap back on. And there you go. So I like to drive it for a week, and then I do that again, that whole process again. And as I said, once you go through that whole bottle, it will all be flushed. So thanks again for watching, guys, and hopefully this helps you out.